Greetings and welcome back to my channel Trisha Bakes. Today we're making lemon cupcakes filled with lemon curd and topped with a lemon buttercream. I'm starting off by blending 200 grams of granulated sugar alongside the zest of 2 whole lemons. Next, I'm going to melt 170 grams of butter in the microwave. In a separate bowl, I'm going to sieve 212 grams of plain flour alongside a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to give it a quick mix with my whisk and then set this aside also. At this point, our melted butter should have cooled slightly, to which I'm adding 60 ml of full fat milk, 120 ml of full fat Greek yogurt, 60 ml of lemon juice, 2 whole eggs, and the lemon sugar that we created at the beginning of the video. Using a whisk, I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients until it's uniformed in color. The next step will be to pour the wet ingredients into the flour mix and to mix this in with a whisk until all the flour has disappeared. I did switch to a spatula as I didn't want to over mix the batter. You only need to mix it until you no longer see any more flour. The mixture will appear lumpy, but not to worry, this is fine. Final step before baking is to fill the cupcake liners. I used a medium-sized ice cream scoop and this mixture was enough to give me about 17 cupcakes. While the cupcakes are still hot out of the oven, I turn them sideways as apparently this helps with creating a flat top. To make my lemon buttercream, I'm starting off in the stand mixer with 227 grams of unsalted butter, to which I've added roughly a teaspoon of ground pink Himalayan salt and the zest of 2 lemons, and I'm going to beat this mixture until it's pale in color. Here I'm just scraping down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure that the butter is thoroughly mixed through and is even in color. I prefer my buttercream very tangy, so I also added the zest of another lemon. If you didn't want to use lemon zest, you could have substituted this for a lemon extract. Before adding my powdered sugar in 2 separate additions, I'm just scraping down the bowl to make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. After adding the first batch of powdered sugar, I start the mixer on low and then increasing the speed to the max, and I beat it for roughly 3 to 4 minutes. After adding the final batch of powdered sugar, I'm also going to add 60 ml of fresh lemon juice slowly to the mixture while the mixer is beating on high. I'm just going to finish mixing off the buttercream by hand and then split the batch into 2, as I'm going to be coloring one of them yellow. To assemble the cupcakes, I use one of my piping tips to create a hole at the top of the cupcake and fill that with my homemade lemon curd, and then pipe various design patterns. all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Until next time, blessings.